Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video guys will show you how to find the paint code for the interior on a BMW guys 3 Series. If you have a 3 Series from 2005 to 2013, E90, 91, 92 or 93, we'll show you where to find the paint code. Now, I think this one will apply for other BMWs as well. Excuse me, for other models. So, usually, if you try to find it on the VIN plate right here, it's not listed there. Okay, check it out. I tried to find it, and you just don't see anything about paint on this one. Also, if you open the hood of the vehicle, you can find the exterior paint. There is a paint code sticker there, but that's for the outside of the car. Okay, like this one right here. Okay, let me focus here. Okay, you can see this one says Alpine White. This is the paint code, but this is for the outside. It's not for the inside. Those are the emission stickers here and the AC sticker. Also, that paint code, the exterior paint code, might be on one of the strut towers, depending on again on the year. But we didn't see anything about interior paint code. And let us show you where that one is hidden. Usually, you'll be able to find it unless somebody removed it from there, under the rear seat of the vehicle. Now, if you usually on that 3 Series, all you have to do is just grab on the front part, okay, and pull it straight up. Okay, like that. This side as well came loose. Now we have to, if you have the, ours is the wagon, so we'll have the seat belt like that, but if it's not a wagon, I don't think you have that there. Okay, and you leave the seat like that. Right here, underneath the seat there is one sheet, you can see, and on that sheet of paper you can find quite a bit of information about the interior color of your car. Now ours is E91, right here, E91. It says the build date 26/4/2006, 940, and you can see this is in German here, and this one is our paint code, paint color in US beige, Savannah beige. So this right here guys is your color. Ours is Savannah beige. Now it's very important to keep that piece of paper there all the time, because you never know who is going to buy the car in the future or if you're going to need it again. So what we do, usually we leave it there, okay, like that. And when you're ready to install it, you have to make sure that you feed both seat belts through the seat, okay. They go through this hole right here. Okay, let me just feed this one up a little bit. Okay, like that. Now it goes towards the back and press on it really hard on this side too. Okay, you're going to hear now the click. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to some of you trying to locate the paint code. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.